Hi, upese wo ye free. E free yade mu nyina ana. Ene enom kafefe capsules. Munu aba China nie. Yade ben kra na ehawo. Media menom kafefe capsules. Enti wonso nomu bi. Kafefe capsules nti. Misisi yade ni nyina ekọ. Eboa ma ne siesie ma. Ye baby. Na mama ye fresh. Na merima de jejai. Monum kafefe capsules no waste pain. Na mo be ya merima ankasa. Edro yi ubenya bi wa drugstore. Any herbal shops bia ebe wu mu.
Kai say wo ba wo ma akranufo. Pemfo ni akoda wanya mfinhia dumienu. Enum adro yi bi. Se kafefe ni capsules no ho a ento. Kafefe.
Talala. Kafefe capsules.
FDA ahwehwemu age atum se eye.
Okay, Yama Obibia Akwaba, Eddie Abba, Jumedia, Yatundin says Stardom, Yadi Bro, Saturday Bia, says 6:30, say Ebo Pepe, na Wakai say, Yadi Jumedia, Yatundin says Stardom, Yadi Bro live, Ewo Kumawood TV, the Pacho Soko and social media na, Obenya, Ewo YouTube, Kumawood TV, and now Facebook. Kumawood TV, ubenya your whole life. Pacho, ukwa, o like it, now I share, now I comment at all at the Amaye. And ne, your contestants in are you ready? Ewaha, and ne, ya de Jumedia, ya to this Stardom, ya de bro live. Freunia, Naunia, so Freunia, say your favorite show. Was so, anti Omra, na Omeshe. Oma boyen ema ye djumade ebrewo eye Lord Cecil Lodge ipa chow ope baby ada o Kumasi dia o call Lord Cecil wa obetimi aboa kama pa kafefe na waje se talala osisi ya oya we ye bema wa ye mre wo mpem bofa akire ho drugstore bia wo so ope kafefe capsules ano o bon anopa ewia ne anwumra tutu obohun se obaya strong ama bibia wo pesa wo ye no watimi aye afei so top K borehole drilling top K sibra wasidan na opese otu nsuo ewo edem ho a bomodin anase ofie ho a bomodin a se obehun top K for na omonso aboa etu nsuo no ama wo ho bibia so aye kama pa meka ho aye fei na meka wo se omama me ho aye fei real fashion design for omo ana ma me ho aye fefe ene menso medra ha me ye MC ade ma medin ade Samuel Kwabena Daku aka Sam Dakus ene me di djumade no ho chiame na meka wo se your contestants in your rehearsals. Now rehearsals are more than no, and they are foreign R&B, cruise, R&B, and a cruise, and a net, yeah, they Abramo live, Kumawood TV. answer na metwa me ho no ma me nko me judges for no so na yeni nkomo kakra na yentwa ye homra ye twa ye ho ba ya na kyese ye de dwumade no e hyehyɛ so live at the amount e wo Kumawood TV ma me ni kan enko me judge number 1 am I?
Yes, I'm Darkus.
Nempom ti saying
Nyame adom bibia e da na
weekend bibia ko so kama
bibia da na kwem kama
ana ye ko R&B
yes.
ana cruise
yeah.
I think say ni nyina no madwumadie no e ko so kama asembe na wo e kan e fa ho
yes senior kan ye ko R&B ye hwe eja contestants na ho den we are trying to switch from one genre to the other. Near here will be a holding what that field. Field now you can debate me. I say, oh, voice texture no do near R&B voice, but here you can make it your own. Now what to now? How creative you are when it comes to R&B.
Okay. Okay. And for me share contestants no back and me busa na say na and R&B e ko ne say na or starting say o ya capella and I'm saying and here na mema amount for ya capella kakra na fiatie west na eba no eye pa eti am I
yeah
and you be who surprises
yes oja wo say meeting rehearsal bro for nyuma oja wo to nya bro for ketwa tinene beji
and ebe ya fan like ebe ya energy sem kwa and you be who no ewa ha mame enko spirit once na and say no see who show no yeah you better asene asere o say ne nyina nso e dey vote be bre ni o
sound
Maxi
big bro
we can net say
nyame adom ye tinkwam we dey aseda na e be manyame
ye dey nyame ase R&B
yeah so the million di kan na expect eno mo be afri omo nchen but ye hwe say omo betumi aye de omo anso e be fri omo aba when it comes to R&B no yeah because ye buy ye de nkra na sometimes ye to me convert it ye trend ni bi ho no mo a for within that
yes
it also mutimi bomb modern say omo meye ne keke omo try so mbe ya ma ye hu say they are serious
okay
yes of course into expect say though
expect surprises be ana
yes I know they definitely be better meaning say be happen there but meaning so betimi abom modern aye bibia ma ye hu say they are serious.
Okay, wait, Stardom, me judges and akasa no na me twam ho sima ba ko pe na maba me ba ya Stardom and edition no ya dey bro live.
Hi, opese wo ye free yade mu nyina ana ene enom kafefe capsules munua ba China nie yade ben kra na ehawo media menom kafefe capsules enti wonso nomu bi kafefe capsules enti misisi yade ni nyina ekọ eboa ma na siesie ma ye baby na mama ye fresh na marima de jejai monum kafefe capsules no waste pain na mobeya marima ankasa edro yi ubenya bi wa drugstore any herbal shops bia ebe wu mu
kai se wo ba wo ma akranufo pemfo ni akoda wanya mfinhia dumienu anum adro yi bi se kafefe ni capsules no ho a ento kafefe
talala kafefe capsules
FDA ahwehwemu agye atum se eye
Senior Tuzo. I do so mama numa. I put to be plenty son what to ask me mama no. I put to be play I am. Get man no ma be no. Yes sir. Who did you want to not to ni? Bra, tell you baby. Bra dey me baby. Na to find my quadro to me see the fear papa bi. Na me problem na to bula mama ya. Me this guys me play so one money to me. Chabula what to I put to be play
Entine bremo okay etu so ani kroki abuoi a manfo abrechirefo baabiafo pupaso twetwe top k akiri kwan ana no me adi asokwan da no watentina
na what if
never, Mamma, have a cry. But the problem is open, Papa, and support your pa. I am top. So far, the town put you, man. Someone is a young too so formal. I am top king. Top king. I want to upon your Yabba. Just nothing. And a poor ever. Fresh out of money. What's your most top king? Top king. And so, as out. We never.
Hi.
Okay, yes, and so I'm Mamo Aquaba, Ediaba, Kumawood TV, Stardom. Because Freunia, na Unia, so and Freninia, and Ampaya, Ebeja. Because Waka was said, and then so Ubibe Frim, and then eviction, Ewo, and then so person vote to my favorite contestant. Men Kenyansa, CCA, Omodia. Nepoti efama eno nafe yentime enkoyanim vote mano na share e social media YouTube, Facebook Kumawood TV meeting at the Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakus and Empire Ebeja dear Oba Betsia no at the Amaye Ama Yura R&B mo Abrantia, your friend, Mulabanks.
Stardom TV reality show.
Did you see so okay? Maybe I won't change our sister, yeah, me shake, dabby dabby. Girl with the look of my eye. One can say, you know, say, oh, the idea, doko. Yeah, it's your boy Mulabanks on it, you know. This is the Stardom program, and we are rocking out with Kumawood TV. To keep supporting the team, dial star 800 star 201 hash. Code number 14. It's your, you know.
Go
by Mula Banks.
Welcome to my sunny day.
All right. Mami call MI so now Mula Atiano Amai dear na just say ye kwe
Yes, Mula Banks.
Yes, sir.
First of all, why are there?
Thank you.
And so about 3 weeks ago, say 4 weeks ago, me can be about Mula. Say he's very good, but I say Unyan and Wadaji. But for some time now, never by hand temper. Mula was all over. Ninia break. And you can see it in his performance.
Yeah.
He's a dancehall artist or too reggae. But he was able to do the song and relax. And even stage movements. Ojina center of the stage.
Yeah.
Okobia Obijina ho. Or as a midfielder, Ojina ho on fleet ni room. And it's a very good thing for him. And he looks nice. And one thing I was expecting, I said, enka obey creativity kakra at least ordinary raga dance or be kakra be room. But one but all the same, no. You did well, okay.
Thank you, sir.
You did well. Mula, on your opportunity, this time there, young country public, no, na young Butuma Mula, say, catch will be said on Butuma.
Star 800, star 201 ash, code number 14.
Code number 14. Poti Efama Mula Banks. Ebra wako backstage. Ede amame yegusu ewo Stardom jumede. This month ending. And ede Stardom. Eba na wiye. Na senior amanfo esi aye anxious. Per season 2. Stardom season 2 no. Ye the Stardom season 2 audition. Twaso. Aha, enti monster nso enfamaye la no ewa eti yade number bi beto screen so na wafre na obejo forms na ya prepare mo for the next season na monso mode aba. Okay, yeko ya nimu no na de odi ho obeto nyom ya brofo nyom no de atre ye abratia ye frano ojiawo
Stardom TV reality show.
I bought here for Nyame. Aja ubari ku ubari brewa brabum. Me nyu se brand ye se bia. Me bo brand so mi wanu amami na mkofo akroso. Afidi mato ba hom chenso agifo ma papa na ji unkuwa. Oye Nyame dada nwa onsam na oje ni oma o. Enti temi so frema mi mpa ibonro anim. Je amanfo e fremi oje awo. Nyame ado abeka Stardom competition no. Enti mi Stardom no se mo Nyame nkama kuma na motoma me se mo to ma me so mo to fa star 800 star 201 hash. Me number 3. Me Stardom na se Nyame ne kakuma. Enya nhyɛ so but mo Nyame nkama kuma. Amazon to me sabotuma me ne asase ba wo so ama bepo apapai. Thank you.
Look into my eyes.
Yeah, that's the title of the track.
Look into my eyes. You see what you mean to me. Search your heart, search your soul, and find me there. You said no more. Don't tell me stop and try and fall. I can't tell me stop and try and fall.
Hello, sir. Yes, please.
My first line. Freestyle, first line.
Look into my heart, you see all you mean to me.
Hey. That's my idea.
Mama come Maxi so.
Yeah. Oh, I. Oja rather.
Hello, sir.
Oja so nice. Oja wa numero one efe.
You me was brave.
One efe pa.
Mate.
Na enyum na obeto ye no. Why na to ye?
If I your friend Brain Adams.
So okay. Fine. What remix na why ye?
Okay.
Why in the remix?
That's the brave.
Because you compared to the original. One kasa wa fanyum na aye wa wodie.
You me that's it.
It's not bad at all. They me pay on one carriage now with the bus stage no matter what. Say you're bad, say you're good. We are artists. You just have to entertain us. That's all.
You me that's it.
And you did well in a way. A do baby now free time in I want to work on it because musician there were timing there.
Sir.
Any key is very important.
That's it.
But next time, yeah, now why are there is no bad.
Matim that's it, brave.
Why are there any bad cry? Eh, Momo Sama Oja wo. Why are there? Because any more Oja was say a bar Amagana ni her life with there. O trying to take but and I was surprised me. Bonsembio Emma Oja wo. O pese Oja wo and car competition mo. And then I say oh yeah.
Ipacho star 800 star 201 hash me number 3. Ipacho mama kwanga krebi. Me chairman say central phone nyina chapas for honu omne vote am last day. Anyo mo ka me free me nyame shop pa. But ebia no be here me personal number ni e be see that 059 24 24 661. Me personal ebia no be here me. Raroma Mr. Manave. That's it.
That's it. Go backstage my wife. Oja won him say that be free man Anna. Was started crying. Okay, we Stardom Jumedia. When you go so I live. Me dey at the Samuel Kwabena Daku, aka Sam Dakus. And that ebe so wonderful. Yeah, you know, and I see a corner R&B. Yeah, person body day. Asia Abrantia, your friend, credit the banks.
Stardom TV reality show.
You say you get another man. You say you don't need me again. The kind of way I feel that day, me I no go fit okay again. Oh my God, no go do like this, so I need a friend to like my pee. Yo, go fit in my audio, Bugo Superstar, I go Tom Tapa, Greater Foundation, sorry ma. Semo Shemi says CIA, Moanga Samode share credit the banks, and I'm Shemi says CIA. A year Kumawood Stardom program no. Make a be now more person because so I woman and I'm strong. I move vote to Mami. Now person vote Mammy dial star 800 star 201 hash. We are no about me code a year 21. Pamchon year 21. Pamcho minimum ramon in time Muslim in Ramo and that one.
This life don't last forever. Hold my hand. So tell me what you waiting for. Hold my hand. We gotta be in this together. Hold my hand. Be miserable of love. 'Cause I've been there before and you've been there before, but together we can feel alright. When the kids talking, when the kids go, we hold each other till we see the sunlight. Oh my head, 'cause I can make it alright till the morning. I can tell that it's hurting lonely. Take my hand, don't let go, baby, hold it. Talk to me, let me be your one and only. 'Cause I can make it alright till the morning. Oh my, hey, baby, I promise I will do all I can. This will be better if we just go. My, yeah, nothing can come between us if we just
Ghana Market Jackson. Bouncer FMA Credit Defense. Today is going to be wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Am I?
Yes, credit the banks. As your name connotes, credit the banks. I think tonight you have a lot of credits in your bank. Seriously, you really did well.
Yeah.
You didn't sing. We are artists on stage. Your entry was wonderful. Your stage was one. Your movement, you were on point. Why are there, pa?
Okay. Why are there, pa? Credit, the bank, credit. So we person vote Edemawa.
Culture, who person vote mami? Star 800 star 201 hash. My nominee code no 21. Madam Wansi.
21 voting. If I'm a credit the banks and yes sir, Ebiana or Kufie, enti voting. If I'm an Abra backstage, Eddie Amami live. Ewo Kumawood TV. Cafe. Now what you saw Eddie Amami talala. Me say usisi ya oya. Oya oba oya bema. Na se usisi ya oya. Omodia se ubenya cafe. Na wanonom. Na timi abua ama osisi amamaya ewo osisi mu nyina ebefiri ho ede ama eno achi no wo ye bema na osisi no untimi fa maduma ewo mpemu a aya na ye ntam frɛ darling and sweetheart no ye ntam fa bi emfrɛ ye frɛ wa ye kwadwo papa akwasi papa na ye tiatia rofro e pa chaw omodi ase ubenya kafefe ni bi wonum na nopa mienu awia mienu anwumre mienu saa be nansa o se osisi mu amama ni nyina ayi afiri ho na wonso watimi aye kama yetimi afro dale ni bi ipacho papa etire ho drosto bia wo so pe kafefe na waje so ede amame talala Lord Cecil wo ba kumase na pe baby ada bacho oba paraku estate ho na Lord Cecil ewo ipacho hotel wako hotels bebreba hotel we am campo e dia ma ono omompa no da so a na massage epeja okosoro kakra e do aba fam kakra na sebe o da so na untimi emu pan ye kura na empa no betima boa ama watimi aye bibia kama for Lord Cecil ye wo swimming pool kama e wo ho a ukọ ho a obetimi amassage ho wo pool no mo kama for family o jolly be for Lord Cecil na onso koda mo promo wo sa ho matrofo iso 0245 922 2222 0245 922 2222 offer Lord Cecil for omonso ebebo kama top K borehole drilling omonso see what's the die now per say you do nsuo edemawa omodin ase onso be frɛ top K for no omonso etimi aboa oye pa we obi a wo pese utu nsuo na wo de wadwuma uton nsuo a omodin na frɛ top K for omutu nsuo mawa eye kroche efin bia enim ofra ma ombabo akama de oma me so me ho aye fei eye real fashion designs omo ana ma me ho aye fe kama o pese utu kwan ko Dubai na unya adwuma ye okwa ubenya baabi ada asan anya adwuma ye visa ne nyinaa ka ho ɛyɛ packed me pacho me kwaba me ba me number bi bema me de ma wa ofra edem todo otene otrachi ya obeko Dubai akoye adwuma anya sika ede ato ho without wasting much time no ye pansam bodede esia abratia ye fra no Paris
Stardom TV reality show.
Eradine me haine me kwaje. Why na me surono di me chise berema. Yehowa ni ma bankese. Hello, within the Paris. Stardom Jumedia ye no Kumawood TV me ka ho bi. Na short code a o de be vote ama me star 800 star no abo 2 0 no abo 1 no abo hash. Me number 5. God bless you.
Jealous of the ring that on your skin. It's closer than my hands have been. Oh, I'm jealous of the ring. I'm jealous of the ring. The ripple through the soul is closer than your shadow. Oh, I'm jealous of you. I wish you the best of all the words could give. And I told you when you love me, done nothing to forgive. But I always thought you came back. Tell me all you find were heartbreaking this me. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the rain you're happy without. I'm jealous of the rain, the ripple through your soul. It's closer than your shadow. Oh, I'm jealous of the night. I'm jealous of the night. I don't spend with you. I'm wondering who next to. Oh, I'm jealous of the rain. I wish you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you love me, but nothing to forgive. But I always thought you came back. Tell me all you found were heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you happy without me. It's you, the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you love me, but nothing to forgive. And I always thought you came back. Tell me all you found was it's heartbreaking misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the rain. You happy without me?
Oh, bounce up. If I'm Paris, ordinary there, I've seen for Mammy Maxi.
Carries.
Sir.
And you remember why pa.
Thank you, sir.
Now, UPS na natural na artificial.
Natural.
So.
Yes, sir.
I see. Nice. And you know why not to
Labyrinth.
You see. Entry no, I don't know. When I first saw entire no, na minim say a style be out buy there because you just keep now be translate without it. Because now me expect say ka oba no, all the ad-libs be ba now be translate. Key no was very nice. I don't know your original key and I say key.
Original key.
Yeah. What I made, I didn't make on pan say when you're one-sided when it comes to key. Utimi ko ba bia. You did well. Key no utimi to you ye.
Thank you, sir.
At a point in time, now my expectation can be sorry now. What was but now it's one on one.
Yes, sir.
So art no work on it.
Yes, sir.
And I feel so a high no. I don't know go too high. It's now I will struggle a lot.
Yes, sir.
Apart from that, you did well.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you did well. Caris.
Sir.
Upon everything that's young, I think so.
Yes, sir.
My best name was important, Mama.
Star 800 star 201 hash number 5.
Number 5, vote Efama Caris na ultimate anchor competition. Bonse man wabra wako backstage ede amame na ye koye nim kakra. Ye passe bonshia abrantia ono de oba ye nyina no asa na oba besa ye na ogusu a wako na nim ye pa. Pansamba de Asia abrantia ye frano Richmond.
Stardom TV reality show.
Hello Ghana for Kumawood TV Stardom me kan hudu. Me pese mu vote ma me frame Richmond Aboaje. Mu vote ma me asimfo sufo aton sufo edua sufo na me semse mu be vote ya ma me na me tumidi nkunu ma be star 800 star 2001 hash. The code 18. To be an vote ma me na me fa hincheni na.
Emma Richmond. Am I?
Yes, go Richie. Yes, I like your entry. Your stage manners was very good. I don't know. Your message was me hear o dance now. Message is about struggles, and struggles it ends somewhere. Mami expect to say probably at the end of your dance, no, you'll be free from the struggles. Na me expect ba me nya all the same maybe next week. Oba be my no a. Dance too is about facial expression and energy. Message be at a point now person was kakra. It was very wrong because abrabo struggles munu yen stressa any breast. Okay, in all no why are they okay? You look good.
Okay, in all no why are they pa Richmond. So we person vote to my Richmond. Obo star 800 star 201 hasha. Code number ISN. Number 8. Now vote at the ama Richmond. No team aka akansi. Abrantie we will be our music video ne other videos we now here be obasamawa we were young na our energy with me at the sapa every bemono yebeka ho go backstage for me you go to live e wo Kumawood TV Stardom dumade yebetwa ya husima ba ku bi na yaba me can say you were Kodo vibes ewa ha you were Mandem and so ewa ha and I think so you were Kodo Lee ewa ha you were Android and so ewa ha and you were Sakan and so ewa ha Choice and so ewa ha and it yakoba and ye easy cry you know ba ku mienu bi ehun do omonte ene omonte me ameka yensa yenim say next week on Baba Kayansa and into the Empire airtie one much. At the summer of Kwabna, Daku, aka Sam Dakus, become Maba, Eba, Yebetuas.
Hi, Opese we are free. A free ya dear munina ana. Any nom cafefe capsules. Munia ba China ni. Ya dear bear cry and a how. Media menom cafefe capsules. Enti won so no mubi. Cafefe capsules inti. Mrs. Yadi ni nyina eko. Ebwa ma. Ne siesie ma. Ye baby. Na mama ye fresh. Na Mary madie. Jejai. Monum cafefe capsules no waste pain. Na mobeya merima ankasa. Edroyi ubenya bi wa drugstore any herbal shops bia ebe wumu.
Kai say waba wo ma akranufo pemfo ani akoda wanya mfinhia dumienu anum adroyi bi. Se cafefe ni capsules no ho a ento. Cafefe.
Talala. Cafefe capsules.
FD ahwehwemu age atum se eye.
Send your tools. I do so, Mamma Numa. I put to be plenty sun. What to ask me, Mamma? I put to be blue. I am get man. Yes, who did you put it in a true? Blah, tell your baby, baby. Not 2 points. My quadrant, remember me, see the fear of baby. Let me problem next to Bula Mamma. Minister Gans, maybe there's some money to travel. I want to, I want to be blue.
It's never okay. And to swear me project a boy. I'm off for a bridge for baby for proof. I have to shut up. I still quiet. And I know me a bit as for quite a watch. Never, Mamma Hammer. But the problem so open to papa and then she quite your bar. I am top play. So far the town put you man. Someone is a young to show. And you're top K. Top K. I'm not going to have just goodness. And if you want to have fresh out of money, what's the most top K? Top K. And so that's out. We never.
All right. Okay, Kumawood live band. Pansambo Emma Womo Emma me Ewaha. Kumawood live band. Se upe omo san bose na omo bobo usho biamawa. Ode uba Kumawood TV ha. Yebema san grofwe na omo popo ede ama upe machines papa ede abo program bi pa eno so ba ha yebema machine eti apopa na wonso de akode ujuma kama pa medika ka tell say so person otu kwan ekọ Dubai we eye Dubai asem na ye ka enye country bia se Dubai wo person ko Dubai 3 months visa ye beti e de amount enu achi no waduma wo be ye aye ready dada waduma wo be ye no aye ready dada o ticket ena o visa nyina ye beti e de amount ebo no e da fom boko ipa chaw for number we na frɛ our travel and logistics for our travel and logistics omo ena omo wo sa akonya ya omo de ebema we for number 0552 37 30 27 0552 37 30 27 0552 37 30 27 ofre wo mo a omo no beka ho asem boko edafon boko wokwa waduma enso e wo ho a wokọ akwakoye eno ti frɛ wo mo na omo so entimi emwa me kon di kan kajam sɛ ye wo koto vibes e wo ha ye wo mandem e wo ha ene wo kotoli ye wo Android Sakan and a Jaws Pansambo de Asia Abrantia your friend Quajo Vibes
Stardom TV reality show.
I still can't believe this. I can't believe I can't take control of myself, baby. How come my bomb bang bang bang? Me feel and I say me now my uncle and me go soon. Hey,
You Ghana phone and Pacho Emusun for Quajo Vibes in me. Pacho Kumasi for a crab, baby. Ghana for any and Pacho person move to Mamia. Pacho move too far. Star 800 star 201 hash.
I found the love for me, darling. Just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I cannot give you up this time, darling. Just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine. You between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When the 30 in the day, you she's stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I share her home. I found love to carry more than just my secret, to carry love, to carry children over all. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our lyrics. When they said you look the best, I whispered underneath my breath, you heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to my favorite song. When you said you got it bad, I knew I have met an angel in person. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Bow Sempama Quato Vibes. Kodo Memoha. And easy. Maxi.
Yeah. Kwajo
Is there?
why fe pa.
Thank you.
Why fe. And then so vibes no so pa.
Thank you.
Yeah. Why are they? But introduction nka we African no. One kasa won that you came back. Na we the come. As I always say, mo usua de wo ko anim. O stage what to no key no pop on the dey make say. O voice is very powerful. And our back stage on our commander or stage no so. Make sure say we be taking over. What must say? We are there. Our energy no was nice, but now me expecting more than that. Ka we be kill game the cry. Why are they ankasa? But me expect so be more than that if opportunity comes next time.
Okay. Okay. Yes, but it's over there more than that. Then answer. I'll be person vote to Edemawa. Pamela or person vote to Edemau.
Person voting Mammy and Pachoba Dali star 800 star 201 ash. My nomination code year 15.
Number 15. No vote to Edema. Quacho Bite. You go so now. Am I? As a mayor surprise big akra. Now me expect to say Yemranti. Profunyum bet me at on the so far, Mama Bano. Mama improve my pa.
Kase efutuo dodo na ye de ama omo na omutie. And the fact say omo hwedwumadi ase no omo the live band na sha ase.
Yeah.
Obi ba ha no nim what is key ne ho nkeka ho. But oba and wusua at least we've done like 8 weeks.
Yeah.
It's a training enough say ode no to journal bia so at least average echo high ne de obetimi ayade. Nti na ye hu no. Omo ya de pa.
Eti yakwe yanim ya Maxi. Bibisa say what predictions be na as to maybe some body all right there, but when them say predictions for our dream as to why and obey the winner of this competition.
Sam, to be honest with you, me share performance na a very difficult to me. I take a stand right now because omunyina nyabre so far omunyina tie de can now improvement a bankasa. So me and the live band enye easy sao.
It's not easy.
Enye easy cry. Enye easy, trust me. We shall almost spend a lot of months and some moment me performance but within a week now obi a home performing with live band dana home performance to be honest we are very good. Okay. They are doing well.
Okay, yeah, go so live. Ewo Kumawood TV we the judges here ko nyina no na ye pa points ni bi efrum kakra sa na fe ye de ekoye ni make I will say cafe capsules for and I think so Lord so Lord and a top K borehole drilling real fashion for and a carboma of my boy and I think so our travel and logistics for and a carboma my boy and me did media a bravo live and Kumawood TV because social media that share epamaye Facebook Kumawood TV, YouTube Kumawood TV. Na dwumadie no entime enkoso midi at the Samuel Wabena Dako aka Sam Dakus. Mika will say 31st of this month. 31st of this month. And the finals no Yade Brel. 31st of this month. And the finals no Yade Brel. Now why and a beje ahencheno na ode aswa yemfa nsembode de ehia abrantia ye freno man them
Stardom TV reality show.
Ina kill them 1 2 3 4 5 kill shot them bad man die the whole of them fake a fake fight but the whole of them we not smile ha and 9 and what 9 them a do. Pop of the whole chat kamatina ni me samwa me lewe them to come here boo me mama no me papa no me nua no madofo omo hwe me mamu this year man them savage Kumawood TV program omo de aba Stardom dwumadie me so me ka ho bi ni say mo fe say ye nkra no ye be so ye talent na mo pese ye mo man them me ka ho bi a code na obe vote ama me na mde agina mu no star 800 star 201 ash na wabo 13 ama me da matimi ni se
You made a killer what I spot hanging on the road, the room was in the road. You two run up to big chuck in the air, another stylish again than gold. Yeah, remember one that the money be that. I room was in the nation again. We two were made a killer what I spot hanging on the road. I room was again, I room was to make a stage in the road. I want you out of my hand. I want you out of my bed tonight. This is where I could save you. What I need to save you. I'm gonna be like, and yet, do you need a teacher, a rapper, or the father? The boss himself, the rap drama. I am the boss myself, call me the rap father. Bringing home coolness, I am your godfather. Rabbit, I am Peter, Papa, Mother, Tiger. Donata, on this, I will be your choice. I'm on fire. That's one. Hey, you know, cold idea. You can't be tabo. I'm going to go Yabanchi, Munangana, Kamanyaru. The boy you see him right now is the Undertaker. And then you will come again, coming from the incubator. Ha ha ha, Tabro and the Viper. Together as one, I'm talking to you, Mr. Rapper. Hey, Talent TV, you may surrender. Take my boss, oh, I am Supreme Commander. And then I'm a family side of family, man, my number. Better luck next time, oh, Mr. Raga. You thought to play it, but not be clever. I want you out of my head. I want you out of my bed. This is where I put it. You know what I am for free that you do know. Free the youth, make we do something. Free the youth, make we pack, make we chill someday. Free the youth, my wife they hear something. Make we pull up in the rain, guys for stop fighting, stop nonsense. Youth, we for do something. I swear, rain bullet, we for bring something. Something. Free the youth, mister. Free the youth, master. Come on, cut up on the mustard. Ghana, you need to cut, but you are doing the answer. Your son to walk, baby, die, you are in the park. But in a man, I'm dead. Oh, yes, no. But I'm doing your exam. Okay, my two as well. You also need money. Could you obey your car? Now, if one of your bed for another, I'm the woman. They're from the book. And I say, I'm a careful. To cool your call you, you're going out to me in the house. I can't hear the extra. That's what I'm Ghana, my brother country is free forever. I ain't no money at it. Come on, watch it so much. I've been someone who was watching. Say, no, my daddy. And when you go out, put him upon my hand, I will walk with it. Muya must say, yes, I'm to a banana, I'm a with it. Share. Brow teeth, I don't keep them when ratting coat. And this
But now is them had pop up the whole attack come at in and you miss some why me let them take a me abu.
Okay.
Never joke.
Person Bama Mantem. Abra, me judge number 1. Now, on the comment. Am I?
Yes, man them. Daddy. Man them.
Daddy.
I'm a master twice.
Daddy.
Yes. First of all, I like your entry. To chorus on Naminti. What was your chorus? Bacha sound out. Bacha me pese mitini chorus no go. Yes. Man them.
Okay, Daddy. I want you out of my hands. I want you out of my bedroom tonight. This is where I could save you. Because I need to be saved too. Or another goodbye.
Listening to your, chorus, it's a love song, right?
Yes, Daddy.
One thing, let me be frank with you. Let me be frank with you. I know some people will say no, but let me be frank with you. I like the creativity. You are very creative. You are a ragger, you are a rapper. So you took the chorus and rapped on it. That is wonderful. The only mistake you did was you are singing R&B is more of love song. By the end, you ended talking about politics, talking about struggles, talking about a lot of things. Now me expect to say you rap more on the chorus, I love, So what must I say? Mandem, what must I say?
Yes, Daddy.
Yes. Chorus, should make meaning to the rap now, Okay. So chorus, rap, there's no linkage. Musically, you just did something for entertainment, but not a message to give. Every musician, you give a message out.
Thank you, Daddy.
But the chorus, rap, they were two different things. So, they didn't know why you rap, why you BBI is excellent, but the message must link. Without the bridge, nobody can work on your music.
Yes, Daddy.
So what say?
Thank you, Daddy.
I like the creativity. Why are there? But next time, make sure the rap now and some now can woman any chorus no effort. A love, a struggles, a politics, a politics. Okay, we understand. Everybody will love your music because you have the energy, you have the swag, you have everything. Okay.
Thank you, Daddy.
Okay, Pansambama, am I? On also the commenter or the Aban, so we say voting at the Mawa, Pamben or Paso.
The editor, me ma shout out to my master Akate, the only boss. Me am a master. So we person over to me am Pamicho star 800 star 201 # me nominee number 13.
Number 13. Bonsam efama mandem obra wako backstage e de amame na me toaswa. Me de ensemble de Asia abratia ye freno. Jolly.
Stardom TV reality show.
Yo, yes, your time. Yes, your man. Street boys, your time. Yo, it's a boy Kwajoli on a Kumawood program Stardom. A day inside. Charlie, if you want to vote for me, just pick your phone, dial star 800 star 201 #, and my code is for vote for me. From Kwajoli. Kripa.
Hey, from Kwajoli. Who are you? It's not that easy with you here, but I don't want to stay. Just tell me that you like me, yeah. But it's like every day I'm kicking rocks. I go right away, but you got me at the complete. So how do you manage to keep me going, but sometimes to keep me from going? See, you distract me, but I'm distracted without you. I don't know how to focus, baby, teach me how to. Cause I could stand in again. But if you love me, just like the way that I love you, I would demand and let it confront it from you. Or do I let you in my head? And I gotta go sometime, cause you're always on my mind. You're not helping me, you're not helping me. You're not helping me, you're not helping me, you're not helping me, baby. And I'm not a coffee drinker. I lost sleep just thinking of you. So put me a cup. I need to wake up. I need me some love. Now give it to me. Cause everywhere we go, I will follow you. I will give you all of me, give me all of you. I gotta go sometime, but it always on my mind. You're not up in me, you're not up in me, baby. You're not up in me, you're not up in me, baby. Hey, hey, tear, hey, tear. Opa say what me makuma. Without you, my mind is scatter. When you meet my mirror, me can't hear too much. Cause of my power. If you connect again, what's on my hotspot? Baby, chat me Wi-Fi. Hey, baby, I know what you say. Me never the pay. My time watching, we are the same. Baby, I know the play. Hey, it's no big game. Baby, I know the play, 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 play. It's no big game. Baby, I know the play. It's no big game. You're not up in me. You're not up in me, baby. You're not up in me. You're not up in me, baby. Hey, tear, tear, tear. Opa say what me makuma. Without you, my mind is scatter. When me tell my mirror, me can't hear too much. Cause of my power. Maybe you connect again. What's on my hotspot? Baby, chat me Wi-Fi. Hey, baby, I know what you say. Me never the pay. My time watching, we are the same. Hey, baby, I know the play. Hey, this no big game. Hey, baby, I know the play, 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 play. This no big game. Hey, hey, you're not up in me, baby. You're not up in me, baby. You're not up in me, baby.
Yes. And the empire, Maxi.
Yeah. Kwajo.
Daddy.
Yeah. Onwa efe pa.
That's it.
Onwa efe. O dread na efe.
That's
it. Dress no bad at all. Said ya onwa efe na sa na waye nwum no. One meda nwum no. When I expect it. Introduction no. Anka we mess up. Kitwa bi but you came in. Said the be aye canon. Who stage no so a. Who control. Memma obi ani kra amade enka AS so. And you did it. Key no was on point. Now the manager who said the MIW or cano. O fanum ne one cassa dia and I will control you mono. And I will create be shame. And you did it well. Why are they?
Thank you, Daddy.
Why are they Kojoli? Say a pese mboti Emma kwambesi mpasa mboti Emma.
But you open so vote mamia code near *800 *201 hash. Me your code number 12. Uboshe madudu bi apeso vote mambia no abo.
Okay, the do be apeso vote ma Kojoli biano. Now wabo Kojoli go backstage for me na pay. Yan twa dwumadi ene so. Ya time no ekọ enti yan fansembo dede Asia abrantia ya frano Android.
Stardom TV reality show.
Nse me sisi o Ghana, me te pena me raho. Sisi Ghana ha de amane na dosun. Imia yukrum nipa abrofo de ne age omo fel so. Moma ye no ye ho, ye nyina nipa baako. Ikremu peaceful nation ye te ha nipa na yekum. Uye bibia menua, dwemu mienu. This your boy Android. Stardom juma de ye me kan obi. Mr. Obet ma fa phone. No abo *800 *201 hash. Code number na number 4. Mr. Obet ma vote ma ma sa code na so L number 4 no. Tu vote ma me a. Yanko.
That be me. Android. Android. Yeah. That be me. Am I? Maxi. Let's go. Yeah. They only call you when they need you. Laugh at you when they see you. Sure that you love me. No one don't believe. I said, be careful by your people. Mankind so evil. Give them the whole world, but they will never ever be grateful. So when I wake up in the morning, I go down on my knees. I pray to God Almighty to protect my family. All the busy body, we be hustle for the money. Place that we came from like no sweet honey. Can this wind take me away? na me va mi go togu na se mi da mi zoto vum na mi go da mi loto parent mi tira mi bongo 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 ANDROID straight
Am I?
Yes. Android.
That be me.
Yes, you are very versatile. You look energetic on stage. I always say Debia and tour. We have stage performance and we have studio singing. But anytime I always stage, you bring that energy. And me, I wouldn't relent say me to escape Android. Because me behewa me nibeje. Because you make the stage very active. Your stage is always not dull. You move up and down. You engage us. The energy. And all Adebako about you is that you are very hardworking. You work very hard on your song and you relax on it. Into a stage, so no one relax it. And that's good. With this performance, I'm sure say you can say 2, 3, 4 times. You can do it because that's the energy is there, okay?
All right,
thank you.
Energy is there. 100. So people say about tomorrow quickly.
Pacho besu vote to mamia ube dial star 800 star 201 hash star 800 star 201 hash number 4. That's
100 number number 4. Vote epa mano. And yes sir, no free. I can't see him more. Because what I was say engineer the demand up and name and ne obi beko fie. Aha. Ediania and ne obi beko fie. Yatie nyuma yasa ape yenko engineer ho na last week the engineer no ship na o started say odutwa ne ship no the judges man etiase say uncomplete ship no na ne on permetre and ntimo pansem bodede ehia abrantia ye frɛ no Saka
Stardom TV reality show.
Midi di Serhan Tidi Kumawood Bumedi aye friend Stardom means Mukahubi. Adom achade ndu ahudo bebre. Ebidie ye nto. Ebidie ya asa. Ebidie ye didi. Menso nyankopon adom achade a ode ama me se. Mitimi e de madwene e ka. Mitimi e de madwene e muku. Mitimi e de madwene e bicycle. Mitimi de madwene e fie. Nso enu ntina me de madom achade aba ha sei. Me de be kire amansan nyina. Enu nti se wo pese wo vote mamia. Dali star 800 star now the 201 ash account. O send na ye kwa na abo mi code number. Mi code number A16 in Ghana.
Hello. Thank God I'm here again. Last week we were all here last week. I was making a shape, but due to our time I couldn't finish, and our judge told me to take it home and complete it at home. When I reached home, I did it, but I couldn't complete it. I know I'll complete it here.
Okay. And what started the Jumadiano? I said the last week. On started say Utucha senior yesi a ship eti Utucha Emma Yenina Yehu Panya or Faswa Utucha no and then that is look as Uncle Fianca Uncle complete no Pamra. But Okoya no or say when Timia complete Etiopa now that their money were complete no ever ha Eddie Amaye.
Yes, this is the building of my ship, and this is the cow, the frame. What is left now is to put the engine. My ship needs 2 engines to move.
Okay, I say the ship no, why na afei na ode ship no engine ba besi ship no engine and a good no.
These are the 2 engines of my ship.
ɔsɛ ne shape no ɛyɛ su engine maako mmienu shape no ɛyɛ su engine maako mmienu ɛno te engine no mmienu ɛna ekuta na sese yi wafa no gloves a ɔhyɛ no gloves na ɔde engine no abɛhyɛ shape no na ɛdeɛ yɛwɔ ɛyi sɛ yɛde bɛsi swimming pool no mu na shape no ayɛ adwuma ma yɛn a ne nyinaa bɛgyina yɛn engineer sakan so eti sesei no ɔyɛ na ɔde engine ahyɛ shape no mu ɛno na ofusu a ɔyɛ.
I'm now going to fix my engine.
Sɛnea ɔka no ɔse afei na ɔfixe ne engine no nti wohwɛ a watam ne engine no baako ɛna wafa no super glue a ɔde ba abɛhyɛ engine no mu anaasɛ ship no mu na engine no ayɛ adwuma ama yɛn nyinaa yɛahwɛ no live. Wei ɛyɛ Stardom yɛyɛ no Kumawood TV mpakyɛw sɛ wohwɛ yɛn a wobɛtumi akɔ Facebook na wɔgya comment ɛwɔ Facebook ɛde ama yɛn anaasɛ wokɔ YouTube a ɛyɛ Kumawood TV wokɔ a na wɔgya comment ɛde ato hɔ ɛde ama yɛn na monka nkyerɛ yɛn papa Apostle Kojo Safo na sɛ Kojo Safo Junior sɛ aberanteɛ yi oyusu ɔno ara n'adwene ɛna wɔde papers design saa nneɛma wei nyinaa ɛno nti no sɛ nipa wei yɛfa no na yɛma no kɔ school na ɔbɛyɛ engineer ɛwɔ Ghana ha nneɛma bebree ɛna ɔbɛtumi ayɛ nti mohwɛ nyinaa no ɛyɛ ɔfɛ na yɛ wɔ ne ka wo approach Kumawood TV foɔ a ɛbɛma n'abusuafoɔ aso ate na mmoa bi a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde boa no no wɔtumi de aboa aberanteɛ yi. Okay. Enti Sakan ɛna ɔde ne engine no ɛhyɛ mu na awe sɛ nka yɛbɛtumi akapta hawa ɔde engine no ɛhyɛ ne ship no mu enti wasosɔsosɔ biribiara kama ɛde engine no ahyɛ mu eti mu a mo nim shape no shape ne engine ɛyɛ mmienu according to Sakan engine ɛyɛ mmienu baako hyɛ left baako hyɛ right na sɛnea yɛ time esi tie ne nti no yɛtumi ma Sakan enwie na emom ɔde ne engine na sim yɛde ne besi ha na nyame yɛ adoma next week akɔ na wakɔ complete sɛnea judges ne kan yɛ no na wɔtumi ɛde ne nyinaa abrɛ yɛn live ɛwɔ Kumawood TV Stardom eti engine no wɔde asim aka sɛ wɔde bɔde nankasa besi so na biribiara ayɛ kama maame kɔ me judge number 2 ɛso Maxi.
Yeah, Sam. I think say Sakan waya de pa but na the hia pa na oye the last week you know. Initials na very vital because omo ewo fie no mu hu kwan ofa so a oye no.
Ebi kra say send the papa na na.
Yes, of course. It na person hu say o starting the same keke. And last week the oye manager ho pa. Na hwe the waya out so obon ho modern pa. Tim so complete a e be ye fe pa. It is, but it's like we don't know. So next week or the beba, but the end very nice.
Okay.
Very nice, but complete here. Next week, we'll bet your baby before, but complete here on family na yen.
Nah.
Yeah. Yen said yes, of course.
Okay. Second, so people say about tomorrow. A person now on pass.
The person will dial star 800 star 201 hash.
Star 800 star 201 hash. Your code number
16.
Number 16. Ubet me abo to at the massacre. My brother, backstage at the Amam Sakan. Backstage, mommy. Aha. Now, you did somebody there. Asia. Ababa wa. Your friend. Joe.
Stardom TV reality show.
Bwe mi puno imami o. Bwe mi puno imami radi. Ensafwa ini Yesue. Mame kofa mi shira. Wow, she mi bia mi din the Joyce. Now she mo Kumawood TV Stardom so. Na dwumadie isa opese mi tinem na enyim from dia. Short code out the vote ama me star 800 star 201 hash. Me number 2. Nyami sure so be vote ama me
Remember those were the bills. Baby, there's someone else.
me catch them say ampaya ebedwa na apai amana ya dey edwa apai amana edwa pansambom ema Joyce bi o why are there mama ko Maxi so am I sorry am I
yes Joyce
sir
Joyce
sir
oh SS intina yes no yes to be frank with you, to be sincere with you, say offer music as a career, you have a very bright future.
Thank you.
Very, very bright future.
Thank you.
Because at this level, Otunyum say SHS2, you could sing like this. Me kata many free stage, you know, so cry. I still feel you. And it's wonderful. You know, as a musician, you know, you have everything. Who stage ye showa efe. Ye ni tunchenya efe. Ye sisi asunkra efe. Nature say you are doing well, okay? Keep it up. You are young. You have a lot to learn.
Thank you.
Don't relent. Push harder. You can make it, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, push harder. You can make it. Obi person vote ma wa kwan person over so.
But show so person vote mamia. Obe dial star 800 star 201 hash. Me code A2.
The code number 2. O vote and all the my Joyce. No time aka competition mo e the amame George Sibeko Basket e the amame. Me come say baby a ye show yi I was pap ba mu ho e na ye show yi ene ti na ho say ensio no egugu me twa mu sima ba ko pe me ba afa hwan e na ekofie e na hwan enso e na aye best performer me twa mu abasese a
hi opese wo ye free free yade mu nyina ana ene enom kafefe capsules munua ba China nie yade ben kra e na ehawo media menom kafefe capsules enti wonso nomu bi kafefe capsules enti misisi yade ni nyina ekọ eboa ma ne siesie ma ye baby na mama ye fresh na marima de jejai monum kafefe capsules no waste pain na mo be ya marima ankasa edroyi ubenya bi wa drugstore any herbal shops bia ebe wumu
kai se wo ba wo ma akranufo pemfo ni akoda wenya mfinhia dumienu anum adro ibi se kafefe ni capsules no ho a ento kafefe
talala
kafefe capsules FD ahwehwemu age atum se eye
Send tu so. E tu so mama ba numa apoto be plenty san wo tu na se be mama no.
Apoto be ble e mo. Ye ma no ma ba no.
Yes sir. Kate wo jiri di bone di na tunsuo ni. Bra, tell bibi. Bra de tie me bibi. Na tu kwai akwa roti me ma me si di fie papa bi. Na me problem na tu bula mama ya. Me di sikasi be bra so so mpo mani to bra. Chabula wo tu apoto be bra
enti ne bremo okay etu so ani kroki abuoi a manfo abrechire fo baabi afo pupa so top k achiri kwan ana no me adi aso kwan da no watentina
na wo dey fa what dey
ne mamo ha mo kra what dey top brem so wo pensu papa na nsu proje pa eye top k so far the down watchuma so far say yentu so oh eye top k I want to call you just nothing. Any poor fresh out of money. What's your most top K? Top K now. And so
hi opese wo ye free yade mu nyina ana ene enom kafefe capsules munua ba China nie yade ben kra e na ehawo media menom kafefe capsules enti wonso nomu bi kafefe capsules enti misisi yade ni nyina ekọ eboa ma ne siesie ma ye baby na mama ye fresh na marima de jejai monum kafefe capsules no waist pain na mo be ya marima ankasa edro yi ubenya bi wa drugstore any herbal shops bia ebe wumu
kai se wo ba wo ma akranufo pemfo ni akoda wanya mfinhia dumienu anum adro yi bi se kafefe ni capsules no ho a ento kafefe
talala
kafefe capsules FDA ahwehwemu age atum se eye
Send tu so. Tu so mama ba numa apoto be plate san wo tu ase be mama no.
Apoto be plate wa ema.
Ayama.
Get man no ma ba no.
Yes. Kate wo jiri di bone di na tunsuo ni. Bra, tell bibi. Bra de tie me bibi. Na 2 point akwa roti mama me se di fie papa bi. Na me problem na to bula mama ya. Me di sikans me play so mbo mani to bra. Chabula wo tu apoto be play ansuo.
Entine bremu atoke entunsuo ani kroje abuoi a manfo abrechirefo ba biafo pufa so. Entucho toke achiri kwan. Ana no me adi asokwan da no watentina.
Na wo dey fa. What dey?
Never mama ha mo kra. What dey top brem se wo pensu papa na nsu kroje pa. Eye top play. So far the town kwatuma. So far the say yentunsuo popo. Eye top K.
Top K.
Oh, that's your corner, Yabba. Just nothing. And if you want to have fresh out of money, what's it going to say? Top K. Top K.
And so, Casa. What's it?
We know.
Hi, opese wo ye free. E free yade mu nyina ana. Ene enum.
Omo yade ye papa. Sani ensio no achase a egugu no ya body tell na fe ya free so otu dia na wo ha no aba stage e dia mame. Mula banks, mula wa ha omra stage emfa emame. Joyce e wa ha omra stage emame. Credit the banks Emra State. Kojoli Emra State. Kojovai Emra State. Emfa Emame. Kojovai, Credit the banks, Mula banks. Okay. Meka ose oma aboyen ema yade dwumade ebrewo eye kafefe capsules. Omode a baby memen na bebo ma osisi amama bi a wom bia no e be free ho e di akọ e di amount Lord Cecil Lord and also obepie mo Kumasi a obenya Lord Cecil for hotel a ho ya kama bibia e wo ho wokọ ho a obenya ba bia da kama pa Top K borehole drilling and so e yadumaku a wasi dan awie anase upe se otu nsuo na odi ye bibi no bomode a se obenya Top K for na omonso etime aboa ama bibia akoso obiniyam aha le dura ya na mempe kamenya kra nanka makotena ai emai honanka emai abaya ebechi no because basa na akwese una dikadura kamai edura nka yense sai nanka better because obi wa na primaya na ya
Sam Dakus you saying bi o Ghana ha yesi obi adidi wo n'edwumem nti wo edwumem no didi ho ai
ayasemo okay so far good dem rantie ene ye meba wai aya de ye pa ensio ni ntino mamenya ni ntem omo ye best 4 best 5 and best 5 1 2 3 4 5 omo nyina ya de pa by out of the best 5 no bako and best of the best. And about also a day pine. Amaya Kofi. It's so sad. But yes, here from day one, we share our commitment. Our program here. Na group baby say ya. Na ministry ka. Na mitna Emma ne Maxia name. And I made two money as the media announcement. Made two money say, and then the old day fine. I'm a coffee. Credit the banks. Nah, mammy. Mula. Better, mammy. I had the and so I had the as I said, Obi Coffee. Pepam Chow Ansana may the coffee, you know. Make your most in my back from a bar. May the coffee at the attempt. Which are most in my back.
Hi, opese we free. A free ya die mu nyina ana. Ene enom kafefe capsules. Munu aba China nie. Yade ben kra na ehawo. Media menom kafefe capsules. Enti wonso nomu bi. Kafefe capsules nti. Misisi yade ni nyina ekọ. Eboa ma ne siesie ma. Ye baby. Na mama ye fresh. Na marima de jejai. Monum kafefe capsules no waist pain. Na mobeya merima ankasa. Edro yi ubenya bi wa drugstore. Any herbal shops bia ebe wumu.
Kai se waba wa ma akranufo pemfo ani akoda wenya mfinhia dumienu enum adro yi bi. Se kafefe ni capsules no ho a ento. Kafefe.
Talala. Kafefe capsules.
FDA ahwehwemu agye atum se eye.
Send your tools. I do mama Numa. I'm put to be plenty son. What to ask me, Mamma? I'm put to be blue. I am. Get man, Mamma. Yes, who did you put it in that to swim? Blah, baby. Not 2 points. My quadrant, remember me, see the fear of baby. Let me problem that to Bula Mamma. Minister Gans, maybe there's one more money to go. Chabula, what to I want to be blue and so. It's never okay. And to swear, you cranking a boy. I'm out for a pretty for baby. I have to shut up. Okay, I think quiet. I don't know me a day as for quite that much. Now, what's never, Mamma have a cry. But the problem so open to Papa and then she for your bar. I am top here. So far the town what you man. Someone is a young too so oh, and you're top key. Top key. Oh, but you're calling your Yabba. Just nothing. And if you want to have fresh out of money, what's supposed to say top key? Top key. And so as out. What's it? We never.
ni wo fama me mami saka na me se yapa wara everybody was it the brother goes on
because you don't let them right if you know what I saw. You feel no anytime. You want to let them see the result. You love it. You just have to let them see the result.
I'm ready to conquer. My full foundation, I can't be pillar. I never promise. I'm a dream future. Yes, yeah. May I reply? Or don't grab show me. I won't need healer. I'm on the pay. Never can't draw some more. For this will say, I'm a what? What is this?
Anywhere you there, go there, go. If because you want to go ask love, baby take my heart, baby carry go. If you think I'm gonna leave you, come for busy. If you leave me there, that's because you show me things I can't resist. I go make sure them to know I want. If you give me joy,
the brother Jolly Angela. What's it like? This kind of love I've never seen before. We elect tea, but my phone send me call. Me bound 10 times, so me seen that you come for. So baby girl, you can't call me your paw. If I be player, come for me show tonight. You be the only goalkeeper who go catch my paw. I will never play with your love.
Okay. Oh, pass this is it. Pass this is it. Little bit there.
Angela.
Amen.
Angela. Yeah.
Okay. Consemble. Emma, you 5 best for today. Omacha said, yes, indeed, they are the best. Omaya de pa. Now, out of all this joy and then happiness, Makuma ya me say me catch o say, and ne, Bobby coffee, yeah. Augustina, ewo MCR. Loretta, ezo ewo MCR. Kobe Frank, yen DOP. Ena afen so Ochunozo, production manager. Ene Wafalumba ezo beboaye. Ben Efri Dubai, Abba. And the Yakatra yourself so called Dubai. Omadia Nefre, our travel and logistics. On my number 0552 37 3027 372027. Obetime afro omo na omo so abwa oyepa. MI of course and Maxi omo so omo so wonderful and ama baby atimi akoso Kumawood live band omonso aya de ye pa afa music director Sir Kobe ononso aya de pa AJ Hipsy ononso aya de omunyina boa ama ene dwumadi akoso ye wo yenkrofo mboa bebre wa ha aneka ena afa nso omo amkeka ho akwasi Omunina, I was pap for Mosomaya de pa. Yakofie. Na best four out of this 5. Joyce. Credit the banks. Kojoli. Kodobai. Best 4. And the mom sama omo. Oh my God. Let us say ne. A brand here. Your friend Mula. Ono ena ye jano kwai. Amano akofie. Mula eja ya hone. You say next season. Maybe I better Mula. Thousand Bamba Mula. Oh, Thousand Mano. Name out of this 5. Take off here. Best of the best. And your choice.
Yeah. Free. Free yadie mu nyina ana. Ene enom kafefe capsules. Munu aba China nie. Yadie ben kra ena ehawo. Media menom kafefe capsules. Enti wonso nomu bi. Kafefe capsules nti. Misisi yadie ni nyina ekọ. Eboa ma ne siesie ma. Ye baby. Na mama ye fresh. Na merry madie jejai. Monum kafefe capsules no waste pain. Na